Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The full comparison of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So the Google Pixel 8 Pro continues Google's AI focus with new photo, video and editing features, including one that completely replaces your face with a happier version of you, and welcomes generative AI with open arms with features like AI wallpaper creation. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, on the other hand, is Samsung's one-stop shop for productivity and camera performance, boasting full rear cameras with varying levels of zoom as well as S Pen support that allows you to note-take and doodle to your heart's content. Out of these two handsets, the Pixel 8 Pro is the more affordable option. Google did increase the price from last year, with the base model sitting at $999. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is more expensive in comparison, with the base model coming with a $1,199 price tag. The Galaxy S23 Ultra looks very similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, with the same boxy design that makes it a little hard to use with one hand. It comes with the Galaxy S Pen stylus, which is embedded into the handset for convenience. Google designed the Pixel 8 Pro in the same vein as its last two handsets, opting for the same camera bar as both the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 ranges. The Pixel 8 Pro was also uncomfortable to hold for long periods due to the camera bar, making it feel very top-heavy. Looking towards the displays, the Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a Quad HD+ 3088x1440 resolution and adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. The Pixel 8 Pro, on the other hand, comes with a 6.7-inch Super Actual LTPO OLED display with a 1344x2992 resolution and adaptive refresh rate that can jump from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Camera-side Samsung handsets are known for their impressive cameras, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra is no exception. It comes with a 200-megapixel main sensor, alongside a 12MP ultra-wide lens and dual 10MP telephoto lenses with 3x and 10x optical zoom respectively. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with a 50MP main sensor, 48MP ultra-wide lens and 48MP telephoto sensor with 5x optical zoom and support for super residential zoom up to 30x. We felt that this setup offered one of the best camera phone experiences on the market right now. In terms of performance, Samsung opted to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy inside the Galaxy S23 Ultra, a special version of Qualcomm's last generation chipset. It can be paired with either 8 or 12 GB of RAM and either 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with Google's own Tensor G3 chipset, which can also be found in the Pixel 8. It can be paired up with 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB or 1 TB of storage. The Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a 5000 mAh battery which allows for comfortable all-day battery life. Pixel 8 Pro 5050 mAh, non-removable charging, 30W wired, 50% in 30 minutes 23W wireless reverse wireless. It's worth noting that the Pixel 8 Pro doesn't come with a charger in the box, just a USB-C to USB-C cable. That is it guys, without being said let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you in my next video.